Hey guys, I wanted to show you the split grommet options that I'm offering on the hdmanufacturing.net website now. There's the two-piece carbon fiber printed option with sizes ranging from 1 inch, 1 1/4, 1 1/2, 1 3/4, and then dual 3/4 and dual 1 inch. These work really well for your Holley Terminator X's, anything with two cable bundles coming out and going through your firewall. That tends to work pretty well. For these anodized billet aluminum options, we have 3/4, 1 inch, 1 1/4, and 1 1/2. And these are really great for when you've got battery cable, hoses, fuel hoses, whatever, cable bundles running through your firewall. They're just, if they're riding on a piece of sheet metal, it's kind of sharp. They can get cut when the car is driving and vibrating and stuff. And so these are able to just slide right around the cable and hose and then fasten right into your firewall or fender apron, whatever it is. They just slide right together. These are precision machined on CNC mills, so the fit's nice and tight, very clean. And the split option, the split carbon fiber option, snaps together. And that holds tight. You would just you'd screw those right in, or nut and bolt, rivet nuts, whatever you want to do. A lot of people I know tend to use self tappers, and that works fine too. Here shortly I'll show you one of these installed in a piece of plate that I've got here in the shop, just to kind of give you an example. But again, go to hdmanufacturing.net. You'll see all these on the front page. You can click on the product page, select the size you want. Everything ships same day. So go take a look. So here I've got an ECU cable bundle already in a loom. This is ran through a hole in this piece of plate that I had. Just simulating if you've already got something ran through your firewall and you don't want to have to fish this back out, put a grommet in there, try to fish it through again. It's kind of a hassle. You would just take one of these two-piece split grommets. You can slide it right around the cable assembly and then place it right into the hole, and from there you just run your screws in, fasten it into place. It's very easy, makes for a really clean solution rather than your cables riding on sheet metal and getting cut into.